Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to turn a cube like this into this and a cube like this into this. So if you want to learn this cube, check the description box, and if you want to learn this cube, then check the description box. You will see blue color highlighted numbers, so choose this cube or this cube. If you want to learn both, then you don't even need to go to description box. You can learn one by one. So first we're gonna go for 2 into 2. So let's shuffle them. So first we're gonna do the 2 into 2 cube. So in the first step, as usual, if you guys don't know how to read formulas, make sure to check another video of mine in the description box. In that video you will see how to solve 3 into 3 cube, this cube. But if you don't understand that video, make sure to come back to this video and learn this cube with me as well. And in this video you will see the tutorial of this thing in a proper way. So formulas are always on the screen, but except this step, because this step has like and movements. So first you need to make white. Then make sure you have like this first layer. Sometimes there's an incident like this. Just exchange them both. As you guys could see, first layer is done. Now let's go for the final part. This is where you guys should be careful with the formulas on the screen. If you have 2 of these already, go for this one and this one. To get this thing over here, you should use the formula on the screen, and on the screen you will see how many times to use it. Now don't go like this. Use the formula continuously. Now see on the screen how many times to do. Now when you're done with yellow, keep your cube like this, upside down. Then you will see one matched pair for sure. Because if you don't, then do the formula that I'll show you right now 2 times. But if you do, then keep it on your left side. So when you keep it to your left side, do this formula, okay? Carefully. Then there will be one piece like this. Just keep it in its correct place and you will be done with your 2 into 2 cube. Now let's get this thing out of here and get this thing in there. So for the first step, make the white cross. To do that, make the white cross on yellow first, or you could directly do it on the white. For example, orange enters here, that means the white will be here. So get it over there and move it back. Correct place? Yep. So that they're gonna be sideways. This one's blue. Orange is already here, that means blue will go here, over here. Get it till there and move it back to its correct place. Done. Next, red, which means over here. Get it to the correct place. Again, done. One piece left, find it out, and boom, your cross is done. Next thing you're gonna do is F2L. This is actually an easy method to complete this layer and this layer at the same time, like simultaneously. Yeah. So do so. Wait a minute. I don't know how to do F12. Yeah, I don't. So let's do the normal one. It is actually very confusing. So first you're gonna solve the white side totally like this. It should be like this in the correct color form, and I'm showing you guys with the formulas on the screen like this: green, red. So go for green, red. Go to the correct place, okay? Over here, right? So in the correct place, green, orange, green, orange. So done. Correct place. Now there's one part left, and where is it? Right under our knees. So to get it up, use the formula on the screen, and then to keep it in its correct place, use the formula on the screen now. Now turn, small x means nothing but turn your cube upside down. Next we're gonna do the second layer. Find the edge pieces which have no yellow. Since opposite color is yellow, we're gonna see edge pieces with yellow first. There are two pieces with yellow, one over here, one over here. So these pieces don't have yellow. These are called the edges, corners, and centers. So there's orange over here at the down. So blue in the up. Blue is towards the right side, so send it to the opposite side. If blue is in the right side, then you'll send it to opposite side, which is left. And if the blue is in the left side, you will send it to the right side. Next, take the right side, which means the blue one, the top color, and get this thing towards this side. Match it. Since you have matched it, you're just gonna keep the blue where it was, which is gonna attach white with this one. The corner piece is attached with the edge now. Now keep the white back to its place, but not however you like. You should do it from the blue side, the top color side, which will bring the edge and the corner piece together towards its place. So that's how you could do all the others. If something is stuck like this, do it just like this, and it is up. And somehow I solved this. So next we got red, green. Red is like this, green is right side, so we're gonna move it to left side. Green is up, so we're gonna do the clockwise and remove it and match it with the edge. Then do it like, get it back to its place, and do the same thing for the red side. Oh wait, no, yep, the same thing. The next step, there are many alternatives. So first alternative is that you could get a L like L, as you could see. There's an L here. Don't see these parts. Wait, I'll remove those, I think. Yep. Now as you could see, there's an L. Make sure to see it as if something's coming from the down and going towards the right. Okay. Now use the formula on the screen. If there's a small F over there, then that means you need to move front 2 layers like this, where white will come here, and then do the formula on the screen, which will give you the plus. Now the second alternative is that there could also be a minus. Please don't see the corner pieces yet. We are just seeing the center pieces and edge pieces now. So if you get a minus or a line, straight line like this, then make sure to see it like a minus, and then only one side, and then do the same formula. Which will give you the plus. Now there's a third alternative where you could see a dot. Don't see this one. Oh wait, the second layer is ruined. Really? Okay, now when there's one dot here, then first you're gonna make minus by using the formulas on the screen. Oh wait, yeah, first L, then you know what to do now. Down to upwards like this, small f, and there. Now that plus is done, we're gonna go for these edges and centers matching. There should be only one matching, faces towards you. If there is none matching, try matching everything. If one matches, that's all. If two matches, then don't even match anything. If none match, just do this formula until you get one of them at least match. I got one, so that matching one should face towards you, and do the same formula again and again until you get all of them matched. Now check these corner pieces now and see if they are in the correct places. Blue, red, blue, orange, wrong. Green, orange, green, orange, correct one. Blue, orange, green, red, wrong. Green, red, red, blue, wrong. So that means this one's the only one which is correct. So keep it towards your right hand side, the hand which you use to eat, and use the formula on the screen. Until you get the correct one, like until all of them be in the right place. As you can see, now everyone is in the right place. Now there are different alternatives. There will be 2 or 1 or none in the corner pieces. Sometimes 4 will be there in the correct place and the cube will be solved just like this. But every alternative has the same formula. Turn your cube upside down again, which is small x, and keep this piece towards your right side. The yellow piece which is not in the correct place, keep it upwards like this, and do the formula on the screen and see how many times to do. And then do it the formula continuously. Please don't go towards the yellow piece, bring it towards you and do the same formula. And when you're done with that formula, turn this part, any part, like mostly this part will be there, like this, or like this, and you're done with the cube. So you guys have now solved 2 cubes. If you guys really want me to buy 4x4, make sure to comment down below and subscribe and like the video. If you guys want me to do 4x4, I don't have actually the money to buy it. Yeah, it's too expensive for me. Just kidding, I'm gonna try to buy it. Yeah, so if you guys want like the quickest speedrunning tricks of 3x3 and 2x2, I actually told you guys the speedrunning trick of 2x2. It is not the beginner one, but 3x3, if you guys want the speedrunning tricks like F2L, 2-look OLL, 2-look PLL, beginner macros, then I'll try to teach them to you guys. Well, comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and make sure to check the description box for these. Again, these cubes will be in the description box. Like, look at that, Kian. So yeah, peace.